Sales Manager. I am handling Maharashtra and Goa. Rayzon Solar Private Limited is the company that founded in 2017, and now we have an operational capacity of 4 gigawatt. In this year, we are about to add another 6 gigawatt to reach 10 gigawatt of capacity. Our plant is at Surat, Gujarat. We offer P-type as well as N-type modules. In P-types, we offer DCR as well as non-DCR, where watt peak what we are offering is 545 as well as 550 watt peak. In N-type, non-DCR, we are offering 585. So, Maha Solar Expo, I am very happy with the arrangements. I am very happy with the service what they are delivering to us. All the best.